Okay guys, so today we're going to be creating a food app, and I have my 14 and 15 Pro frame which I'll be using to create the app. So the first thing we're going to do is to create the home page. Okay, so let's start. So you're going to go to your text tool, click on it, and I'm going to write eat healthy, stay healthy. Okay, so I'm going to add an auto layout now to this. I'm going to say shift plus A. Don't forget, that's the short cut of adding an auto layout. Shift plus A on your keyboard. Okay, so I've added an auto layout. As you can see the frame here, and you can see the eat healthy, stay healthy elements under the auto layout frame. Okay, so I'm going to increase the padding. Don't forget what we talked about on our previous video. When you have a single element, it comes with a padding. So I'm going to change the padding to 25. Okay, so this is it. Then I'm going to increase my text, the font side. Let me say 32. 32, that's fine. Okay. So I want to align this to be in the center. My spelling has an error. Okay, healthy. Okay, so this is okay. Okay, so I'm going to so the next thing we're going to do right now is to give my auto layout a color. So I'm going to go to fill. I'm going to make my frame to be black. Then I'm going to make the text to be white. Okay, I think this is perfect. Then I'm going to make my, so let's add another card. Yep, let me add a card here. So I'm going to insert an image into this card. So to insert an image, you go to your main menu, go to files, place image. So I'll go to pictures. So I'm going to select this picture over here. Okay, open. Okay, so I think this is perfect. Yeah. I think this is perfect. just have to play with it until you get what you want. Okay, so I'm going to go to my text element, click on the text tool, come here, and I'm going to write get started. Get started. Okay, so I'm going to add an auto layout to this. Shift plus A. Okay. I'm going to rename this frame 2, which is the second auto layout for this get started. I'm going to rename it to I'm going to rename it to get started button. So that it doesn't confuse me with the frame 1. Then I'm going to rename this frame 1 to eat healthy button. Or better still, I should rename it to homepage. Homepage. I think this is okay. All right. So I'm going to change my text color to white. I'm going to change the text color to white. Change it to white. I can just come here and type FFF. Okay, then I'm going to change the fill color, which is the background color, to black. Should I use white or black? So if you are doing this on your own, I guess you should use colors that you feel that suit your design or that suit whatever you are creating. So okay, this is black. Sorry, the triple F I selected was actually black, so I'm going to select, I think, no, FFF should be white here. Yep, FFFFF. Perfect. So this is it. Okay, so I think my background color. So to change the background color of your frame, yeah, you come to your, don't click on any of the elements. Click on the frame itself, that is your iPhone frame. Then come to your design panel. Okay, so let's change this our frame background color. I don't want it to be white. I want to give it another color. So to change your background color, all you need to do is click on the frame, go to your layers panel, click on the frame, that's your iPhone 14 frame here, click on it, then come over to your design panel, then go to fill. As you can see, it's on white and I don't want it to be on white, so I'm going to click on it to change the color. Should I make it black? I think black will look catchy with our design, or what do you think? Okay, so maybe I should try another color. Nope, this is not I think I should go with red. Nope. So you just have to play with the colors until you get what you need and what conforms to your design, you get. So but I think I like black. I think I should go with black. Okay, I think I should go with black. Then I'm going to change the background color of my auto layout and the get started button. I think I should go with black for this. Then I'm going to use the opacity to 80. Okay. Nope. Let me take it back to, okay, that's too dark. Okay, 91 is okay. I think this is perfect for me. Then I'm going to change my background color of the home page, the first auto layout. Okay, I think this is okay. This is okay. I'm going to change the font of my text. So I'm going to go with extra bold. Let's choose the font size to be, let's say, no, 40 is too much. Let's leave it at 36. So I'm just trying to make little adjustment to see if the design will come out better, you know. So that's what I'm trying to do basically. Trying to make everything to fit in well. And okay, so let me work on this. I'll get started button. Let's change the font size to 36. I think 40 is okay. Okay, let's leave it at 40. Let's change the text to be pastry is okay though. Okay, let's use regular. um should we use pumpkins? Okay, let me see. Okay, this is okay, this is okay. Okay, so make it to be at the middle. I think this is the middle. Yep. Okay. I think I should bring it down a little bit. Okay, so let us use our prototype now to see. Okay, I think this is perfect here. I think this is okay. This looks okay to me. Okay, so let's look at it now to see how it's going to look like. Okay, this looks nice, but I think I should bring this eat healthy, stay healthy a little bit down. Then I think I should also change the auto layout color to black, like total black, so that it's going to rhyme with the iPhone 14 background color, you know, because looking at it here, it's having a different color and it's not giving me that, not giving me what I need. I'm not feeling it. But my get started button, I think I'm not also feeling the get started button here. And another thing we should work on is the time. We need to add a time. Come to your text elements, click on Let's write 9:40. Let's write 6 a.m. 6:30. Then 6:30 p.m. Okay, so I'm going to move this. I'm going to reduce this. To take it to 16 is too small. I think 24 is okay. 20 is perfect. 20. Okay, so now is the time we need our grid. So the grid helps you to position your elements, like to align them properly. So I'm going to click on my frame, going to add grid. You come to grid, click on the plus sign to add, then come here, choose grid type. I'm going to choose columns. I'm going to, for the counts, I'm going to select 6. I prefer using 6 when it comes to a phone frame, like an iPhone frame, iPhone 14, iPhone iPhone 13. I prefer using the count of 6 for my grid. Then I'm going to, for the type, I'm going to select center. For the color, I'm going to select, I think this is better. Yep, this is perfect. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to our time. We're going to do bold. Yep. Okay. So I'm going to add a bar, a battery bar symbol. So I'm going to go to my main menu, go to plugin. I'm going to go to fonts, awesome icons. I'm going to search for um battery. Let me search for Wi-Fi. Okay. Okay, so this is it here. So I'm going to move it over to this place. I think my time should come here. Yep. Then come here. So I'm going to change the color to white. Okay. So I'm going to add another icon, which is battery. I think this should come here. I'm going to go to my main menu, plugins, Fort Awesome. I'm going to search for battery. Okay, let's go with this. This is it. I'm going to change the color to white. Perfect. I'm going to shift it over to this place. So the main essence of this grid here is to ensure that when align your content, it doesn't cross over to the black line. That's this black line over here. That's the main essence of this grid. So it doesn't cross over to this side. As you align your content, it should be within these colored columns that we are seeing here. Okay, so battery, I'm going to increase the size a little bit. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's add bar. That's this one here. That shows your sim network. So if you pay close attention, you notice that the Wi-Fi icon is not showing. Reasons being that it is not inside the frame. As you can see, this is the Wi-Fi symbol. It is above the iPhone 14. That's why it is not showing in the design that we are designing, except you hover over it, except you place your mouse over it. That's when you are going to see it. But if you take your mouse off this vector, it is not going to show. That's because it is above the iPhone 14. So for it to show, you need to drag it below the iPhone 14. So let's do that. Okay, perfect. It is now showing. So I'm going to take this here. I'm going to bring this here. Okay. Then I'm going to reduce it. Okay, I think this is perfect. Then bring it closer. Okay, so this 40 by 21. This, take out this, take out this. Okay, so I'm going to make this 40 by 21. So I want to make this 40 by 21 also. So I'm going to write 21 here for the height. Then I'm going to make this 40 for the width and also 21 for the height. Okay, perfect. I'm going to drag it so I can be on same page with others. Okay. Okay, so let me take out my grid and see how it's going to work. This is beautiful though. So, okay, let us take a look at it. Oh, so I need to bring this my time elements down a little bit. Then I also need to adjust this my hit healthy and stay healthy down a little bit, then bring down my Wi-Fi bar, the battery bar, and also the signal bar. I need to bring them down a little bit. Okay, so bringing it down. Okay, then I'm going to select them. Then I'm going to make it a component. Now this component is necessary in the sense that I can use it for another frame as we go on with our design. I use the same component in the next frame. I can use it subsequently. That's the main essence of this component. So I'm going to rename this component. So I'm going to rename this component home bar or home icon. Okay, I think this is perfect. Okay, so now I can adjust it. This is it. So I'll just bring it down like this and move it to any position that I feel it's okay. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so I was going to change the color of my eat healthy, stay healthy background to be total black. Okay, so I guess this works. But let me 08090. I want to see what color this has. I want to copy this so I can use it to work on my background color for the auto layouts. Okay, and also the background color for the get started. I need to work on it also. I want it to be the same color with okay. Okay, so let me take off the grid and see how it looks like now. Click on my frame, then go to grid and turn it off. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at the prototype. Okay, so I love what I'm seeing. This is perfect for me. This is good. But I think I should make this my get started to be. I think the color, the font size is not visible. It is not pronounced. So I think I should work on this my get started. It's not pronounced. The timing is okay. The bar, I think I should bring it down a little bit. I need to bring this down a little bit. The Wi-Fi icon is not pronounced, so it's cut halfway at the top. So I'm going to still adjust it. Okay, so let me turn on my grid so I don't make mistake. Okay, okay, okay. Then I get started. I need it to be extra bold. Yep, I think this will work fine now. Let's take a look at it again. Let me turn off the grid. Then let's take a look at the prototype. All right. Yep. Yes, this looks perfect for me. This looks perfect for me. I love this. But you can play around with the color. Yeah, you can use colors that suits you. You can use brown, pink, purple, orange, green, any color that suits you. Okay, so this is our home page. Our home page is ready to go.